We were at the stream when a little mystery girl appeared to us.
Igwe, something is wrong. Oh.
Yes, something is wrong.
The alarming situation of this kingdom should be treated as a matter of urgency. It is no longer news that the calamity that has befallen this kingdom is weighing us down. So nothing is happening anymore. Should we fold our hands and not provide solution to these happenings of this land?
Onyeze, something has to be done, and we must be fast about it. Delay may be dangerous. The more we wait, the more things go from bad to worse.
Onyeze, if you ask me, I would suggest we consult the chief priest to ascertain where all these are coming from.
Everyone child is from Chukwokike and does not deserve the wicked treatment. Tell Onyeze to abolish that tradition.
What tradition are you talking about? If I may ask, who are you?
You took part in the tradition. Your last child is with us. And to answer your question, my name is Adugo. Princess Ihuna, the most beautiful princess ever come in human form in Umumba Kingdom. One with best of hearts. You are married to this kingdom, but you have to go back and lend your voice in the barbaric tradition of killing sick innocent children. So your womb shall be opened.
Who are you, little one? You look strange. Who are you?
Go and do what I said. Talk to your father, the king of Umumba. Lend your voice, my princess.
Hey! Ewo.
What exactly is going on, my people?
I think she might be a spirit from the spirit world.
How then do you explain her sudden disappearance into the thin air?
That is the reason we need to dig deep. The spirit girl spoke in parables that none of us here could read meaning into what she said.
Exactly. I think there is more to the mystery girl than meets the eye. I felt goosebumps all over my body.
She is indeed a mystery girl. But where she came from, we do not know and must be unraveled. I wish I had the slightest clue to what she talked about. But what I understood was the fact that she said that her name is Adugo.
This strange girl in my compound. Was she actually the one I heard her voice? Who is she? She disappeared. Is she a ghost? Where is she?
I don't want to believe that Chinyere is still sleeping by this time of the day. What kind of marriage is this? Eh? My father will always say, Nze, we marry, you are the only son. Now I am married. But Chinyere will choose to sleep from morning till whenever time she feel like waking up. What kind of nonsense is this? Chinyere! Chinyere! Come out! Nonsense. What is good about this morning? I told you last night that I shall be going on a far journey to Ukpo to buy goods for my business, didn't I?
Is the way you said it?
Then I expected you this morning to wake up so early. Look at everywhere is unkept. Then for you to prepare my breakfast. You don't want me to eat before embarking on my tea.
Is the way the thing is? You know how I'm feeling. I woke up this morning feeling drowsy.
You are feeling drowsy. You are feeling drowsy.
Yeah.
Could it be Eba?
So I don't know.
I think you will take Ogo Eba to flush your system because you have been taking too much Eba these days. Look, Lewodi. Everywhere untidy, unkept.
Dear Mama, I think the gods have visited us with a child.
My beautiful wife, are you sure of this thing you are saying? Because I was thinking it is Eba that is disturbing you the time you went to throw up.
My husband, I am so happy. The gods have found me worthy, have favored me with a child.
Gods of my forefathers, I will not take this show of kindness for granted. Unemeka, are you sure you are pregnant for the last time? Are you sure?
The gods have done it.
Hi, I'm happy. Gods of my ancestors, I greet you. Gods of my forefathers, greetings. Chimonyowam, Ekenemge. Thank you for adding another woman into my household. Please accept this kola that I offer to you today with joy and happiness. Uncle Sally. Eke, Tanoji. Oye, Lekwoji. Nkwo, Tanoji. Afọ, Tanoji. Mowem na-aga atakwa m. Nkwo, kpọtara m ihe ọma. Orie, letere m ihe ọma. Afọ, fọta na ihe ọma. Eke, keta ihe ọma bịa. Ekele m unu chi m. Oge. Waya kwa nini? Waya.
My husband, food is ready.
My beautiful wife, you know, I must commend you. you are seriously trying. Even in your condition, you do carry out your normal duties. GCK,
My husband, I am only pregnant, not sick. Very soon, I shall deliver this baby.
He say, I pray may the gods turn it to be a boy.
My husband, whether boy or girl or child is child.
It's you. You're right.
Let's go and eat.
Let's go and eat and get here.
Oh.
Izewi?
It's your friend.
Eddie Woku.
Yeah, how are you? I'm very fine.
You're welcome.
Yeah. Your wife has put to bed a baby boy.
Hey.
Just as you wish.
May the gods be blessed.
Yes.
How is my beautiful wife? Is she alright?
She is fine. My wife and other women are singing and dancing. Yes. And your wife said I should come and call you.
Ozubun?
Yes.
Then let's go.
Let's go.
Let me close my door.
Just
Help!
be fast.
Oh yeah, let's go.
Okay.
Udoka, my son, why must a child that was born with no deformity suddenly start raving mad? He was so full of life. His ordeal started when he met and fell in love with Angoleka, the beautiful daughter of Mbadora. The sudden tussle between him and the crown prince on who wins the heart of the beautiful maiden. Rumor has it that Prince Jidenna could be responsible for his insanity. Immediately he ran mad. The same maiden who professed her undying love to my own son ran off to marry the prince. If indeed Prince Jidenna is responsible for my son's misfortune, I leave him to the gods to judge.
Get out of here.
Are you a prince?
Oh, you are Igwe. I'm going to wound you here. You get out of here.
My prince, please, just allow him. What happened to him can happen to another
Don't talk to me before I stay out of this. I'm going to enjoy it.
Are you a princess?
I will enjoy.
Are you a princess?
My prince, leave him, please. Don't touch him.
You just defend him right before me. So even if in his mental state, you are still going behind me to see him.
What?
No, you are still meeting him, right? I see. Let's see in the palace. We'll meet in the palace. You have some explanations to make.
Amuri, my love.
We'll meet in the palace.
Amuri, my nwa. Amuri.
Stay there with me.
Amuri, you are Igwe. Amuri.
My prince.
Don't call me.
Amuri. I am prince. You are Igwe. Amuri. Amuri.
I don't understand. Why are you talking to me like
I will
that?
talk to you anyhow I like. You hear me? How dare you defend that lunatic before me? How could you? You know how disrespectful that is. Huh?
He's also human and does not deserve harsh words from you. My prince, I urge you to be kind with your words, at least for once.
Well, I'll talk to him anyhow I want. Did you hear me? He's a commoner, he's a lunatic. I'll talk to him anyhow I want.
Commoners are also human, and no one deserves to be treated like that, whether royalty or not. We are one before the gods.
Don't say that. We are not one before the gods and we can never be. The earlier you let that sink into your head, the better for the both of us.
I think someone here already forgotten that I was also a commoner. I mean, I used to be one.
Well, that was then. This is now. I don't want any association. See, anything you have, any ties you have with that man, you break it. You're married to me automatically makes you royalty. I don't want any affiliations you have with him. Ends now. I don't want it anymore.
Well, to my understanding, the heirs to the throne of Umumba shouldn't condescend so low to a level of a commoner, so to speak. So why did you come for me? Why didn't you go to a certain princess of another land?
Well, it's simple. It's very simple. You are beautiful. I can't afford to lose you to a lunatic, a commoner. I wanted you and I went for you.
So, you married me not because you love me. You married me because you belong to the ruling class and superior to Udoka. Is that it?
Well, you can think whatever you want to think. I don't care. But I've said my own. Your affiliations with that lunatic must end today. I won't take it anymore, Angrika. I won't take it.
He's not a lunatic. You stop calling him a lunatic.
I told you my own. Don't dare me. Don't dare me. Don't dare me.
What have I gotten myself into? He lured me into getting married to him, and I left Udoka to his feet. I cannot believe Udoka raves mad in the whole kingdom. He still recognizes me. He called me by my name. Could Prince Jidenna be responsible to what has befallen him? Udoka.
Anwureka Nkem, you know I can die because of you. You know I love you so much.
Same here. And I'm very sure that nothing can come between us.
But you're allowing the prince to come close to you. Is it because he's the prince of Umumba Kingdom?
It's not like that. I know the prince is the only challenge you have, but he will never get me. Never.
I heard from a reliable source that he said he would deal with me. He will not do anything to me. 1,000 of that prince will not do anything to me. I will not fold my hands and watch him take you away from me. Never.
That arrogant prince. I'd rather die than be with him.
Good. He's a crown prince, so? Is that why he wants to box the young men of this kingdom to a corner? He wants my woman. If he wants a wife, let him go out there and look for a bride for himself, and not my woman. Nkem, you're betrothed to me. You're my bride to be.
Prince Jidenna swore to deal with him. All of a sudden, Udoka lost his sanity. This is almost 3 years, and he's still raving mad. If I had been there for him, I'm sure he would have gained his sanity. He would have figured out a way of the calamity that has befallen him. But I left him to his fate. My friend Nene cajoled me to leave the love of my life to marry the prince who they believe I have so many chances with. I shouldn't have left. Udoka, I'm sorry. I am sorry. My friend lured me into the hands of the prince. I should have stayed. I should have stayed. and together we would find solution to your predicament. Udoka, I'm sorry. My prince,
Yes.
what is your father, the king, and the cabinet saying about the recent happenings in this kingdom? I believe they are not ignorant of what is going on in this land.
Listen, sorry, I don't follow. Recent happenings. What's going on? What are you talking about?
Are you the one saying this, my prince? Or is there anyone speaking through you?
I don't understand.
I'm surprised you're saying something like this. Okay. How long have we been married?
For over 3 years now.
For over 3 years now. And nothing to show for it. No child, no miscarriage, and you think there's nothing going on. You think it's ordinary.
Hang on, really, the last time I checked, children are gifts from Chukwu Gabiama, Odomo, and Ugu. So why are you making a mountain out of an anthill? Huh? When the time is ripe, the gods will bless us with children. And they'll be playing all over the place. Why are you panicking?
Okay, what about your sister, the princess? She got married to Obinna, the prince of Umuchu kingdom. For over 3 years, if I'm not mistaken, no child. And you think nothing is going on. See, my prince, a lot of unfortunate things has been happening in this land.
What was that?
Are you asking me? Do I know?
My husband, if I tell you that I am not worried about our children's predicament, I'm lying. It bothers me. Princess Ihuna has been married for 3 years without a child. No heir to the throne of Umuchu kingdom. Just like our son Jidena, who got married the same time to Angoreka. They have no child too. Onyeze, our children are barren. Our land is barren. Our farmlands are not yielding any fruit. And the king seems comfortable with all that happening in the kingdom. My question is begging for an answer. No parent will be comfortable with his or her children's inability to reprocreate in marriage. Why are you not finding solution to the problem that have befallen the land? Your subjects are waiting for you to bring to an end to all the calamity that have befallen the land. Nothing seems to bother you at all. For how long are you going to continue to pretend that everything is fine, whereas everything has gone in total disarray? Onyeze, if you are not bothered as a king and a father to your children, I, Odibeze, I am bothered. I am worried. And something must be done fast. Don't be a sleeping king.
I told you there, Funa, that I must go to Ajani River today and catch all the fishes in the river. He doubted me. Today, what happened? Didn't I do exactly what I told him I would do? Only me today. I caught 5 million fishes and 100,000 crocodiles. Who has ever done that in this kingdom? Eh? Have you done it? I raise your hand. Raise your hand up. No, it is only me. Prince Udoka. I did it. I did it. Stop. Raise your hand up. Did you do it? I told you they Funa.
Look at what somebody did to his fellow human being. To think that Udoka, the most handsome man in this kingdom, is raving mad.
Obi, rumor has it that it was after Prince Jidenna threatened to deal with him that he ran mad. He was even with Anuri in their love hideout the day it happened.
Ijendu, that was not an empty threat. My instinct tells me that Prince Jidenna has a hand in what this young man is passing through. I am sure of it. How do you explain that immediately Udoka lost his senses? He went straight to marry Angore, his betrothed.
But Angore did not try at all. She couldn't even wait. Fear. She said yes to the prince. What a fake love. Her love for Udoka could not hold any water.
Ijendo, forget that thing. Anyaya no nebe Prince Jidenna, for the fact he is the heir to the throne of Omumba.
Obi, but what they did to Udoka is unfair. Little wonder they could not give birth. Not even a miscarriage. The gods shut her womb.
Are you saying that that might be the reason they have not conceived?
I didn't say anything. That is what it is. Evil is evil, no matter who is involved.
Anguri is Udoka. Udoka is Anguri. Udoka lost Anguri. Asiri, look at them. Asiri, hey, Asiri. What I told you, Funa, did it happen or not?
He saw it. Yes, he saw it with his 2 eyes. What I don't like about that madman, he always underrates me. He's mad. Well, I don't have to say anything about someone that is mad. What else do you expect from someone that is mad? Eh? They will be scratching me everywhere, every time.
Stop scratching me.
Stop it. Every time you scratch me. Every time, everywhere. Stop scratching me. Stop scratching me. I think. Stop scratching me. Stop scratching me. Stop scratching me. One. Stop scratching me. Two. Huh?
My only son. Having mad round the kingdom. Eating from wherever he sees. I would have said, let me be bringing food for my child. But his own madness has no base. This minute you will see Udoka here. In the next minute you will see him elsewhere.
No, Udoka. In Ejeje. This one you're standing and muttering to yourself like a mad woman. Has your own madness started? Has your own started doing you? You know how your own used to be. Eh?
Hey! An insane person calling a very sane mind mad. Look at my child. How are you?
I said it. You're mad. I do not know how I am. Eh? Why are you asking me? Eh? Ijutai sinkite waraba ya megini. Eh?
Udoka, I am asking because I want to know how you are faring as your mother.
A mad woman like you, how can you be my mother? Eh? How can a mad woman be my mother? Eh? Oh yeah. Go! I'll chase you.
I'm your mother.
I'll chase you. Oh, you want me to chase you? Eh? You want me to chase you? You want me to chase you? Come on, go if I chase you now. Eh? Go away! Go away! Oh, you're still there. You know how your own used to do you. Go away! Go away! Out! Go away! Go away! Go away! Go away! Go away!
Let me help this woman to collect most of this thing.
Oh yeah. Chinyere. Who is after you? Who is chasing you?
Udoka.
Udoka, how?
I saw Udoka eating the crops he picked on the road. Do you know our own son called me his mother a mad woman? He started chasing me around the kingdom with a big log of food.
Udoka chasing you? The biological mother? How come? How come? Where did you see?
Did you forget he is mad? What do you expect? He does not remember that he has parents, nor home. My handsome son, now roaming round the kingdom raving mad. Gods of our land, what is our sin?
hold me now. I'm holding me.
Who could she be? I wish I know. I heard she went to the palace singing and dancing. She even told the king and the king cabinet members that her name is Adugo.
Adugo? From where? Kibu Sikwan. Adugo.
She's back!
Inside!
Crying has never been a solution to any problem. What's going on?
How can you say that? My husband's people already found a wife for him, King.
My princess, are you serious?
I have never been more serious than this. They want to chase me out of the palace because I'm not able to give them a hair.
This is not good at all.
Hey, a certain woman who is a seer in Imuchu told me that my problem is from this kingdom. Also, a strange girl appeared to me and said I should come home. That this is where the problem and the solution lies. I don't know, I'm confused.
Onyeze, is it not high time you did something? Are you going to wait until our daughter is thrown out of her marriage?
But mother, what do you want him to do regarding this matter now? Eh? What should he do?
I want him to do something because he is the king. He should go to the end of the earth to unravel this puzzle. Ogini?
Mother, I still insist there is nothing he can do regarding this matter.
My husband, what are you saying? Are you comfortable with you not having a child yet? If you're okay with our condition, I'm not.
Father, please, you need to do something. This is not ordinary. There's no way I cannot be able to conceive yet. My brother's wife, she can't even conceive. If you ask me, this is not ordinary. Papa, do something. Do something. Biko, Zenu, Biko.
Prince Jidenna, are you sure you're not guilty of something?
Guilty of what? What are you talking about?
You know what you did, so stop pretending.
What is this about? What are you saying?
What are you hiding, Jidenna? What did you do to incur the wrath of the gods in this land? You cannot get me pregnant. Your sister, Princess Ihuoma, is about to lose her marriage because of barrenness. So what do you have to say about that?
What should I say? How does that concern me? How does it affect me?
You know what I am talking about. Stop pretending and talk!
What is this about? What are you saying? What's wrong with you?
Udoka.
Udoka? What about him?
Swear you do not have a hand in his insanity. You made him mad to have me, right?
Wait. Are you accusing me of being responsible for Udoka's insanity. Me. How dare you?
Right before me, you vowed to deal with him. All of a sudden, he became mad. How did that happen? I am certain you did something to prevent him from marrying me. So start talking! What did you do?
This is unbelievable. Angelica, you are accusing me? No, I won't take this nonsense. Father must hear this. The king must hear this. I'm not taking it from
I'm not done! Come back and answer my question!
Okay.
When you're done talking to your father, you come and answer my question! Rubbish.
No, I'm not going to take this. I won't take this. I cannot take it anymore. Anna, what's going on? Father, I will not take this. I will not take this.
Jidenna, why are you raging in anger?
What is it? Speak.
Jidenna, you just stormed into my throne room. Furious. What is the problem?
Is it not that maiden that calls herself my bride? I will not take this, Father.
Oh, what has she done this time?
What did she do? What?
Father, Angelica looked me in the face and accused me of being responsible for Udoka's insanity. Me!
What?
She even said I'm responsible for the calamity that have befallen this kingdom. Eh? See, this is the height of it. I'm not taking any of this again. I will not take this. Father, do something because I will not take this.
Jidenna, did you at any point threaten to deal with Udoka?
Mother, what sort of rhetorical question is that? Huh? Why will you ask me that question?
At least answer us so that we'll know where all this is coming from.
Even you, Mother. You dare to point accusing fingers at me. I can't believe this. You!
Jidenna, I remember vividly. You said you would go to the end of the earth just to have Angelica. So tell us, did you at any point visit a native doctor to cast a spell of madness on Udoka?
Native what? What in the name of the gods is wrong with everybody? Eh? I've said I'm innocent. How many times should I say it? I'm innocent. Have you heard it now? I'm innocent.
If I tell you I understand all these things you are saying here, know that I am lying. But do you have anything to do with Udoka?
Father, direct that question to Angelica. You should call her and direct that question to her, not me. See, I've said my own. No, I know nothing about it. And you say, Angelica, just summon her because anywhere I call her, she will answer. I will not let this matter lie low. I will not. I've said my own. I will not take this accusation, Father. I will not. I will not take this.
Princess, tell me all you know about Jidenna, Udoka, and Angelica.
The truth is that Prince Jidenna cannot deny not knowing what happened to Udoka.
Oh.
That is the glary truth.
Glary truth?
Yes, Nne. Angelica was betrothed to Udoka.
Oh.
They were madly in love with each other. To the extent that even a toddler in this kingdom knew about their love story.
How?
But all took a different turn when Jidenna saw them together. He became so jealous and swore to tear them apart.
Could that be the reason he lost interest in Princess Ifechukwu, his betrothed?
Huh? Prince Jidenna felt Udoka, the only son of Mazin Zeri, does not deserve a beauty like Angelica.
Oh.
But him, the prince of this kingdom.
Finally, I found the one for me. At least now my father can see me as a responsible prince. Soon I'll make her my bride. Treat her like a queen that she will soon be, and then together we can foster this kingdom to a greater height. Oh, I can't wait. This girl is so beautiful. That is my heart. My soon-to-be bride. Ihunna.
Jidenna, what can be making my brother so excited this night?
Ihunna, I found her. Yes, I found my bride.
Really? Another bride that is not Ifechi.
Who's talking of Ifechi? Huh? What am I doing with Ifechi? Huh? Say something reasonable or see me Ifechi. You need to see her. Huh?
Jidenna, you are royalty and must be married to a royal home.
Oh, come on. Is it written on stone that I must marry from a royal household? Huh? See, you need... Ihunna, you are a beautiful princess. You should see this maiden. Huh? I met her earlier today.
I can't wait for us to get married properly so we can start making babies.
Same with me, I can't wait. I mean, I can't wait to be your wife. I wish it's possible for us to do the marriage today. It's possible. Let me even ask you, what is holding us? Why can't we just do everything as soon as possible?
Don't worry. We're on it already.
Greetings, my friends.
Greetings, my prince.
Greetings, beautiful maiden of Umumbukin. Come. I want to have a word with you. How are you?
I'm fine, my prince.
That's good to know. Beautiful maiden. Permit me to introduce myself. I am Prince Jidenna, heir apparent to the throne of Umumba Kingdom. The soon-to-be king of this kingdom.
Who doesn't know the prince of this kingdom? Prince Jidenna.
Well,
only a stranger doesn't know you.
Well, so delighted to know that you know me. That makes it a lot easier for us. So what's the name of this beautiful maiden standing right before me?
Angareka.
Angareka. Well, you give me joy, just like your name implies. Obi Njuma Angole, no.
Thank you, my prince. But I have to be with my man now.
But I'm not done talking. I want us to get to know each other, you know. We could become friends and then...
Let's go. So, you can...
Everyone in this kingdom know that they love each other. Everyone knows they are betrothed to each other. Do not ignite problems between them.
Ignite problem, you see. Well, I want her and I'll have her.
You cannot have her. They belong to each other. They love each other.
Stop this love thing.
Don't you get it?
I don't get it and I don't want to. I said I want her and I'll have her. Look, I'll do anything to have Angrika to myself. Whether she's betrothed to Doka or not, I don't care. I'm royalty. What are we saying?
I kindly advise that you let this be. You cannot possibly have everything you want. No, Jidenna.
Even it seems you underestimate your brother, huh? Huh? Well, I said I'll have her. And I will. My mind is made up.
It's best you channel all this energy into making your relationship with Ifechi work.
Oh, there she goes.
Other than chasing after some maiden. After all, she's beautiful too. Isn't it?
Even now, you suggesting in our season it's not possible. Stop talking about Ifechi where we are talking of Angreka here. I mean, these two are just... Ifechi is nothing close to Angreka when it comes to beauty.
Jidenna,
Angorika is beautiful, smart, intelligent, elegant. Nwajuleju from top to bottom, everything speaking for itself. Also, what's that her name? Ifechi.
Look,
So.
I'm your sister. I cannot deceive you. Do not try anything stupid.
Well, I'm sorry, my mind is made up.
Could it be true my son, Prince Jidenna, has a hand in Udoka's madness? Could this be true?
Certainly, mother. He did it. He obviously made that handsome young man mad just to win over Angolika.
That is not possible. My son Jidenna cannot hurt a fly.
Nay, what made you think he left Princess Ifechi? What? He left her the moment he set his eyes on Angolika.
But how could she have abandoned the one she claimed she loved and jumped into another man's arms? That means she never loved the man. She never loved the man.
Nay, you cannot blame her. It wasn't entirely her fault.
So whose fault is it? Mine? Her betrothed ran mad. And all she thought was best for her is to go and marry the prince. She never loved that man. She never loved the guy.
Prince Jidenna started pressurizing her. He started wooing her with gifts and lots of money. You can't possibly blame the maiden. It's not her fault.
Nene,
My friends.
I love your friends so much. Angry, and I learned both of you are close to each other. Right?
Yes, my friends.
So that's why I asked to see you.
My friends, you have first-hand information.
Really?
The person that told you this told you right. You see, Aaron, she's my very good friend. We share secrets together. Yes. What she cannot tell another, she tells me without hiding any.
I like the sound of that. You two share secrets, eh? So tell me more about her. Is there any man in her life currently? I mean, ladies.
The person she's seeing, the one she's betrothed to. In fact, their wine carrying was supposed to be last Odi. All of a sudden, he went mad.
What?
He's raving mad in the kingdom. Nobody knows how it happens. But my prince, why are you asking?
Okay, you see, Nene, the thing is, I admire your friend so much. In fact, I love her. And I would like to make her my bride, my future queen, so that together we can foster, this kingdom, to higher places. I want to make her my bride. I can't stand to lose Angorika to another man in this kingdom. It's not possible. So that is why you are here, and that's where you come in. Help me convince her to be my bride. And I will reward you handsomely if it works out.
My prince, it's going to be hard. I don't know how to convince my friend to leave Udoka in this trying period.
Then you make me laugh when you say that. You just said the guy in question is raving mad, right? What's the big deal convincing you? I mean, you people, you are both women. You know what to say. Tell her, you don't even need to do much. I'm royalty, and I'm sure she likes that. So there is nothing much to say here. So just tell me. Say I said I'll reward you handsomely. You want that to go and wallow about waiting for someone who don't know when he's going to recover?
My prince, don't talk like that. Don't talk like that.
Okay, Chokanko, do this for me now. See, I said I'll reward you handsomely. Like I'll do anything just to have your friend. See, I can go to the moon and back to have her. That's how serious I am. Yes.
My prince, you will do anything.
Hey, I said I'll do anything.
Okay. But you have to pass through me before getting my friend.
Pass through you. But that's what I'm doing now. That's why I called you. That's why you're in the picture.
My prince, I want us to be intimate.
What?
You don't know how long I've been waiting for this opportunity.
Then get your hands off me. Have you lost it? Are you out of your mind? So because I called you here to talk to you about your friend, you now have the guts to... Hey, watch it.
My prince, you're shouting. Okay, no problem. Let me take my leave now. Let me start.
Wait now. You women, you have calm down now. Go and check in. I said I wanted your friend, not you. I didn't say I want the both of you, just your friend.
My prince, the choice is yours.
So you mean Jidenna slept with the maiden?
Nay, it was after he was done going into her for 3 consecutive times that day. That was how she fulfilled her own part of the bargain. What I do not know is how she was able to convince Angole to marry him.
That's unbelievable. Children of nowadays. 3 times?
Yes, mother. He did not end there. Nene and Jidenna kept on sleeping with each other up until the moment I left for Umuchu to be with my husband.
Princess,
Nay.
since you know all this, how come you never mention it to anyone? Not even me, your mother. Odemma.
Nay, Oderokwamma. The day I barged into them, guess what my own brother told me?
What?
He warned me never to barge in on his hut again. And I should mind my business. He paid a huge price just to be with Angoleka.
Since Jidenna can sleep with Nene to have his desire, I have no doubt in my mind that Jidenna is responsible for Udoka's predicament.
Nay, enough of Prince Jidenna. Let's talk about the strange little girl.
The little girl.
I do not know why Udefina refused to come in terms that I am wiser than him. I am wiser. The earlier he realizes that, the better. I told him that Onyeze will die. And he shouted at me and told me not to say that again. What an elder like me sees, even if he goes to the Iroko tree, he will not see it. What do I expect from him? He is smart. I don't blame him because he will not understand. What does a madman understand? Yes, I told you. Shh, keep quiet. I am still talking. Yes. Udefuna, leave me, oh. Udefuna, leave me, oh. Leave me. I am wiser than you. Call me Udoka, the wiser. Udoka, the wiser. Udoka, the wiser. Udoka, the wiser. Shut up. I am wiser than all of you. You are mad. Raise your hand up. Raise your hand up. Raise your hand up.
Did you at any point sleep with Nene?
I beg your pardon. What are you talking about?
Don't give me that look. Did you sleep with my friend?
Me? When?
Are you going to stand before me and deny that you never slept with my friend? That you didn't sleep with my friend countless times?
I mean, try to make it make sense. I mean, I have a maiden as beautiful as you are. Why will I condescend low to go for someone like Nene? Huh? Try to make it make sense. I can't do that.
Well, I don't expect you to own up. You slept with my friend. And you made Udoka mad. Just to have me.
No. That is what I won't take from you. I've said it countless times. I don't have a hand in Udoka's insanity. I've said it countless times. You know what? If I made Udoka mad, if I'm responsible for Udoka's condition, let the God strike me dead. Is that what you want to hear now? Eh? What is all this madness? Each time I keep bringing up this matter.
You think you slept with my friend? Jidenna, do you know what? This marriage is officially over.
Huh?
We're done.
she find out about me and Nene? How come? Oh. That stupid girl went about running her mouth. It's her world against mine. Guards! Now you go in there, drag out any human being see out of here. Now!
Okay, my prince. Respect yourself. Leave me alone. Respect yourself now.
Drag her out quick! What are you doing there?
Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
You know how to run your mouth, eh? Now, listen. You take her to the palace house. Flog her mercilessly and lock her up.
What have I done wrong?
I say flog her. If I don't see scars, I will have problem with you. Move it!
Let's go.
Me and you in this community.
Stay back.
What are you doing here? Say it and leave.
You do not have any right to speak to me in such manner. Not after what you did. You have a secret you've kept away from me for so long. I want to hear everything.
What secret are you talking about?
Even with all those whips on your body, the pains, you still want to pretend like you don't know what I'm talking about. Nene, how could you?
Anuri, what exactly?
Queen Angolek! Do not forget that.
Anuri.
I said Queen!
Queen Anuri. I made you the young queen of Umumba.
By sleeping with Prince Jidenna. You think I wouldn't find out? Oh, sorry, my friend. Did I call you my friend? Betrayer. Well, nothing is hidden under the sun. Stay away from my husband and I. I will not warn you again.
Tell your so-called husband to stop coming to my hut every day to sleep with me. Tell him to face his wife. Leave the queen alone, my friend. Leave her alone.
I will not leave her.
What is wrong with you? Leave her alone.
You are mad. Mad woman!
What is wrong with you?
Look
Leave her
at your big head! Woo!
Look, it's not my head.
I'm worried.
Let me
I will not leave you. Hmm? Yes, you are mine. You are my bride. Hmm? Hmm. Okay. You went and married a mad prince. Yes. He is mad. Oh, okay, you don't know. That is why he is sleeping with Nene at your back. Yes. Shh. 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 Yes, Prince Jidenna is mad. Of course, he claims to be faithful, but he is not. It is not your fault. And that is why he has been sleeping with her.
Udoka, stop saying rubbish about my husband.
Mad, mad woman, you're mad. Mad person. Mad. Look at you. Mad people everywhere. Mad people. Woo! Stand there.
Jidenna, tell us everything. I mean everything you know concerning this allegation leveled against you.
Father, I have said I have nothing to say, Father. I have nothing to say. Absolutely nothing to say.
Liar!
What?
What did you just call me?
A liar.
How dare you call me a liar right before my father?
Because that's what you are. A blatant liar. Tell your father the king how you slept with Nene, my friend, just to make her convince me to marry you. Tell everyone here. Tell them how you sneak out of this palace to sleep with the same Nene in her heart. Even with me here. Yes, you should hide your face in shame because you're shameless. Listen to me. I'm going to go to the end of this earth to find out what happened to my Udoka. I mean, who is responsible for his insanity? As for this marriage, it is officially over. I'm out.
Look, Father, don't mind them. Innocent of all these allegations. I swear on my life, I have nothing to do with Udoka's madness. I'm not responsible for it. See, I can go any extent to. I can even go to great Ibubu deity to swear and prove my innocence. I am not responsible.
We do not know what to believe anymore. The land has been desecrated. The reason the calamity has fallen.
But I've said I don't know anything. Why are you asking me that question again? Or come on, give it. I said I don't know anything. Hang on. My love. Hang on.
What is it? Who is your love? Who is your love?
I'm sorry for everything. It's not what you think. Please, See, I was in a trance. I was left with no other option. I didn't do it to hurt you. I'm sorry. Huh? She placed it as a bait, and it was the only condition I could meet for her to help me convince you to marry me. And my hands were tied, please.
If you're talking, don't come closer.
Sorry. Please.
She gave you a condition.
Yes.
But you never stopped. Did you stop? The two of you continued. You kept on doing it, even after our marriage.
It's not exactly like that. She's been threatening to blackmail me, and Desperation led to all of this, and she's been threatening to blackmail me. I'm sorry.
Hello.
Nene,
Mm,
you're welcome.
thank you.
How are you?
I'm fine.
The young queen is not around.
No, I'm not here to see the queen.
Okay.
Yes, I'm here to see the prince. I hope he's in the palace.
Yes, sure.
Please go and tell him that someone is waiting for him.
Okay.
Thank you.
I will pass on.
Nene,
My friends,
how are you?
I'm fine. Please, I came to see you. Can we talk privately?
You want us to talk privately?
Yes.
Excuse us.
My prince.
My prince, I want you to come to my house and live with me.
Get your hands off me. Are you out of your mind? Have you lost it? I should follow you to your house to live with you. Huh? Are you in your right frame of senses? Now listen. Whatever happened between us was an honest mistake and will never happen again. Now leave this place.
Not so fast. No. It's up to you whether to follow me to my house or I will go in there.
Bring down your voice.
Bring
down your voice.
Or I will go in there and tell Anne about our escapades. You don't have a choice.
Are you going to blackmail me?
Are you coming or not?
Now this will be the last time this will happen between us. This should be the last.
We just started and it is not ending anytime soon.
What did you just say?
What you just heard?
Now look here, Nena or whatever you are called. Do not dare me. Look, I'll strangle you and no one will get to hear of you. This is not a threat, it's a promise. Do not dare me.
No problem. But before you strangle me, I will tell the queen, your wife, what has been going on between the both of us. You had better make yourself available. Else, arrange your cap very well now.
Now listen, Nena or whatever you are called. If you want to form part of my frustration team in this village, I will deal with you my own way. Set my own nonsense.
Hope you enjoyed it, though, my prince.
All these years, you've been sleeping with my friend just because of the cheap blackmail.
I swear that was what happened. I did what I did with her because I didn't want to lose you.
Aside sleeping with Nene, tell me, is there any other thing you did to me?
Nothing. Absolutely nothing. See, I may have threatened your friend Udoka. But all that was just to scare him away and be with you. I can't go that far. I'm not that vindictive or wicked to make him mad. I am not. The only thing I did was sleep with your friends. And I did it because my hands were tied. I didn't want to lose you. Please.
You didn't want to lose me.
And I don't want to.
I can't believe I've been living with a cheat for 3 years. Tell me why I shouldn't leave this marriage for you to be with Nene forever.
You won't. Please, you shouldn't. I've taken care of Nene. I dealt with her decisively. Yes, I did.
Well, Nene didn't tell me anything. I overheard your sister telling your mother about that. That's how I got to know.
What? Angry, please don't. Angry, please. Angry, wait. Angry, wait. How come I punished Nene for what she did not do? Well, she deserves what she got. Next time, she will not come an inch close to me again. Nonsense.
My princess, where are you going to?
Until what is happening to this kingdom is unraveled, I'm not coming back to this palace. I've wasted 3 years of my life with a cheat.
Angry, please. Don't leave me now. Not now. Please don't go.
Jidenna, you heard me the first time. Until you find the solution to our childlessness. I'm out of this place.
Angoreka, are you sure? You are leaving your marriage for another woman to take over?
Never. Ben Namana leaving me. Let me go back to my father's house.
Angoleka.
My princess, I have no choice. I have to go.
Angoleka,
oh, will you sit down here?
Sit down. Father, will you just sit and watch her? Man of one son, Father, is not fair. How will I cope? If you more dogu, Father, please now. Talk to her. I'm saying my own now. I can't stay like this without a woman.
Onyeze, at this point, you need to unravel the mystery. Something is not just right. Do something.
Biko, Father, please do something. No, please. I can't be like this, please.
I cannot believe my own Udoka is insane. He ran mad right before me. Even when our marriage is fast approaching.
But you have other options.
What other options?
The prince.
Nene, mba. Just to Osia. Stop it. I already told you my stand on this. I am not leaving my Udoka. Never! Not now that he dates me the most. So stop it.
What is this maiden talking about? Henry, take a good look at yourself. Do you want to waste this beauty waiting for a madman?
No, you are not beautiful. And for the last time, I've warned you before, I will not warn you again. My Udoka, Udomu, is not a madman. Stop calling him a madman.
Why are you being defensive? Is he not raving mad? Someone that has even entered the market is a madman now. Please, leave that madman alone and marry Prince Jidenna. He loves you so much and he will go to any lengths to make you his wife.
Well, no, I will not do it. I said no.
Yes, you will. Prince Jidenna is going to make a good husband. He's a very nice man. He's so generous to a fault, and he keeps sending you gifts via me.
The same gift I've been rejecting.
Leave it. But please, have a change of mind. Don't you want to be the princess of this kingdom? Or probably the queen?
You see the way you did? The princess of this kingdom. It fits you.
But it does not want me.
Go and marry the prince. Jane Nwanya no fit. Or don't you want to be the queen of this kingdom? Eh?
You are looking for my trouble.
How am I looking for your trouble? You want good thing now. And the way you are talking about this madness, how do you want my Udoka? So how did you know that he has entered the market? Can you kiss him, Wale? Rubbish. Go and marry the prince. Crown queen. Let's go, Biko. I never knew all Nene was busy doing was to keep her own part of the bargain.
She lured me into marrying the same prince she was sleeping with. They played me for a fool. To think that I left Udoka all to himself when he needed me the most beats my imagination. I'm so heartbroken. I go through emotional trauma. I have no joy. Joy has eluded me. How did I end up in that palace? No problem. Let me go back to my father's house. I'd rather remain unmarried than be married to a cheat of a husband.
Something is definitely not right in this kingdom. That's the reason I summoned you, so that we find a solution to this.
Onyeze, where exactly are you coming from? You can talk to us so that we understand you.
I am talking about the mystery girl in our midst. Huh? Yes, we cannot, as elders, pretend that all is well when all is not well. We must find this girl, then know the message she has for us.
Onyeze, what do we do? What you exactly suggest we do? Okay, maybe.
Invite the chief priest. Let him tell us the minds of the gods. Because we cannot just fold our hands and watch our daughters getting married and not having the fruit of the womb.
Onyeze, I am glad now you are reasoning in my direction. And I'm happy that we have decided to do what we should have done long ago.
Onyeze, we the elders in council are in support of whatever measure you have decided to unravel this mystery. Yes. We are solidly behind you.
This story reminds me so much of Udoka and I. But I went to marry the prince. What do I have to show for it? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. He was busy frolicking with my friend. My best friend. While I go on a wild goose chase. I'm sorry. Doc, I'm sorry. I'm sorry I failed you. I failed us. I ended us. But I promise you, I promise I'm going to find cure to your madness. That I must do. I promise.
Udoka! Udoka! My son, come back here! Udoka! Which Udoka are you talking about? Our son, our son. Where is he?
I saw him here. Immediately he saw me, he took to his heels.
You mean Udoka, our son, remembered his father's compound?
Yes, yes.
If not that life is so cruel to my son, he would have been married by now and given us grandchildren. Udoka, my son, I miss you so much. Now, which way did he go?
He just ran away.
Udoka! This is not what I planned for. My only surviving son, they made him mad. Because they think they are powerful and no one to question them. No problem. The gods are watching. Who are you? Why do you always come around my hut? I heard your name is Adugo. Adugo, is there anything you want to talk to me about? Talk to me, I am all ears. Talk to me! Why does she always visit my hut? Why?
What is the problem? Who are you quarreling with again?
Did you not see her?
See who?
Adugo, the mystery girl, she came again.
Came again where? Inside this hut I was lying down.
She stood right before me without saying anything.
Wait. What do I do? Eh? Why is she always coming here? Why?
That is the same question I keep on asking. Why does she always visit my hut? Why?
Come, this mystery girl. You said your name is Adugo. If you like, change the name. I know that you move from one part of this universe to another. Mana, if I move for you, I don't think you can fly again. Don't come here again. Don't come here again. I know you are hearing me now. Don't come to this house again. Oh, the man. I can't take it. I'm coming. I'm coming. Eye of the gods.
Zewi.
Odogu. Odogu. Something is troubling me. That is why I'm here.
Again.
I want you to help me ask the gods if I have offended them.
Zewi. What is the problem?
There is this mystery girl that has been coming to my house, singing and dancing. Most of the time, she creeps out of my hut, unannounced. I am confused. Because one day, she might kill me, Zewi, and my wife. That is why I'm here. I want you to help me find out why that mystery girl has been tormenting my family. That is why I'm here.
Mr.
I am the gods.
I will consult the gods and get back to you.
Thank you.
You can go.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Ejimia ugwo. Ejimia ugwo.
Elders, you're welcome. What brought you people to Ibubo Shrine this early morning?
Ezemo. Anungangampi, the mouthpiece of the gods. Eye of the gods. Ezemo, we are the emissaries sent by the king to unravel the mystery girl. Ezemo, who is she? Is she human or spirit? Please tell us.
Eye of the gods. The little girl was singing about our tradition, calling it a barbaric tradition. I listened to her tiny voice. But from my point of view, the way she visited the palace shows that there is more to what we don't know than what we know. Ezemo, something is wrong somewhere.
Yes. We thought it was a joke, but it is not. The first day she appeared in our river, our young maidens ran to the king. We should have started this visit, but it's not late. Please help us. Help us.
Yes. Everybody, any what is the color of the can Eke, oya for now. Ibubo, one more boy. Bada one no kwasi. Ndiki kana kile do ejire news. Give me leno kwa ameku. Ibubo. Ibubo dike.
The other side. What do I tell them? Talk to me. I'm listening. Negunana man, no? Wamoku. Elders, the gods are silent. Eh? Tell the king that I shall be at the palace the next Eke market day. Let me consult more. Take my message and in that case, you have to be. Everybody get. Those of our forefathers, our ancestors, cheerful when what if you can wait? If only for my can
It is so wrong for this kingdom to still be butchering innocent sick kids under your watch, Eye of the Gods.
Mad people everywhere. Stop. I don't blame you people. Mad man. Mad people everywhere. Huh? Is it not today, Funa? I don't blame him. He's a madman. He keeps underrating me. Look at them. Mad people.
Leave! Go back to your parents.
Ichia, chase them down to their father's house. Chase them. What could be this? Huh? What would we need to warn their parents.
You're mad. Hey, mad people everywhere. Hey, you're mad.
I just hope the gods review the problem of this land. I cannot afford to see my children out of marriage. It does not make sense. It does not make sense at all. I just wish to bear children for my husband. I just wish to give him prince and princesses. Prince Jidenna, you are not saying anything. Say something.
What would you have me say?
At least say something.
Well, I have nothing to say unto proven innocent.
Patience. Let us exercise patience and allow the emissary we sent to the chief priest to bring words from the gods.
Oh, gods of our land, please answer us. We are on a crossroad. We do not know whether to go left or to go right. Please, answer us.
Agwibabulu ka di na mo bulu nene. Olugwakwa ni ko si elu o. Baje mi fodogwu. Ibubodike inozikwu ya. Igwe. Elders. People of Umumba. This is the day we all have been waiting for. The day the gods will reveal to us the cause of all the calamity in the land. Ibubodike Gbamaokwu na mba dagwa na okwu asị. Agwaje kpụlọkpụlụ klike wee na-eji ọbụla ezie. Ile ọma ka eji na-eji aga n'okwu o. Ibubodike. Gods of our ancestors, talk to me. Your people are here waiting. Talk to me. And I shall tell them your mind. Reveal to me. I shall tell them exactly what I saw. Don't panic. She is from the gods. She have not come to hurt anybody.
The calamity that has been falling this land, I brought it upon each and every one of you in this kingdom. I shut the womb of every woman in this kingdom. They shall not conceive nor bear any children. I made Udoka mad.
Udoka.
Yes, Prince Jidenna is not responsible for his madness. You people are busy pointing accusing fingers on an innocent prince.
Finally, gods of our land, thank you for vindicating me.
Due to the wickedness shown to me by my parents, Nzewi and Chinyere.
Your parents?
I decided to avenge what they and the people of Umumba did to me, or my brother, and everyone in this land.
My wife and I are your parents. Is that what you are saying? And we don't even know you. What exactly did we do to you to warrant all this torment?
Nzewi, look straight into my eyes and you will see what you, my mother, and the people of Umumba did to me.
The child that says her mother will not sleep shall know no sleep. Butcher her. Butcher this Obanje child. If that will make her stop coming into my life again. Ajonwa so wele bane ya for. Obanje child. I don't want to see you in my life again.
Go, you for Obanje child. My wife and I do not want a child that will give us nothing but pains and tears. Go!
Go, you evil Obanje child!
Evil child. Obanje child. Ayazu, we take her to the evil forest and butcher her body. She is an Obanje. We need not to spare her. Okay. Take her. Woman, go back. Stop crying, man. One thing about children born as Obanje, they keep coming and dying, causing their families heartbreak.
Izenwe, you and your wife should not take this to heart. The child that will stay will finally come. And as of that evil child will not find our way into this family anymore, considering what we have just done to her.
Ahaz, you see, that child has given us nothing but pains and anguish. But nothing to worry about. My wife and I will be fine. In fact, we are fine already without her. Don't just worry, you can go. Fine.
It's okay. It's okay.
Adugo. Yes, I am that baby you killed at infants.
Adugo, right? How manage?
You people take pleasure in killing sick innocent children and tagging them Obanje. You have shed the blood of sick innocent children. You have destroyed destinies because of this barbaric tradition. Uncle does not have a child today, even in his old age, as a result of this same barbaric act.
How did she know my name? Huh? Who knows?
The children you sent to the great beyond, just because they got sick, are angry. All they want is revenge. So I was sent to avenge their deaths.
That which is greater than the cricket has entered its own. Hi.
Onyeze, abolish that tradition of killing sick innocent children. Stop spilling the blood of innocent children. No child deserves such deaths.
My husband, you are the king with the staff of authority from your ancestors. Please, whatever you decree stands. Listen to this little girl.
It's not possible. The tradition practiced by my forefathers. You cannot just wake up one day and abolish it. It's not possible.
Hey! You should have known. Adugo Mama! If not for the tradition, you would have been alive with other sick children. Hey! She has been coming to see her mother. The God should have shown me this.
Ozugo, Ebezina. Since it was Adugo, they sent to tell us that killing sick innocent children is wrong. I, Nzewi, is happy. I am very happy. Oh. That was why she came to her father's hut. Her voice sounds so humble, warning us to stop killing sick innocent kids. Oh, Adugumam, I am sorry. I am sorry, Wam. I am sorry.
Let the gods forgive us. We have done the wrong thing, believing it is a good tradition. Hey! Let the gods restore Udoka's sanity for her sake. Hey! Adugo Wamo! Bada! I'm sorry. Bada Wamo!
Chinyere Ozugo.
Bada!
Ozugo! Ebezina! Enough. We must look for a solution to this. We must look for a solution.
My husband, our children's marriage and that of others have suffered barrenness because of this barbaric tradition. Please, abolish it. Biko.
Onyeze, at this juncture, something has to be done. Man makes rule, man abolishes rule. It is within your power to do so for the betterment of all of us and the kingdom at large. Please do so, I beg of you.
Father, on behalf of myself and every mother of this great kingdom that is unable to conceive, please have mercy on us. Please abolish this tradition. Nambiko. Please.
Onyeze. Dika na-akpọ ogwu n'anya. As mouthpiece of the gods, I am pleading with you. Please, abolish this tradition so that our kingdom will be great again.
Because of my ancestors, I secure protection. This is a difficult decision for me to make. Let me for once hearken to the pleas and cries of my people. By the powers conferred on me as Ezumumba, I hereby abolish all forms of killing sick innocent children under the guise of Obanje. It is barbaric, obnoxious, and uncalled for to take the lives of innocent children simply because they were sick. And you tag them Obanje. Now I realize how evil we be. And I ask the gods to forgive and heal this land. Nobody from today shall take the life of any child. Imagine how wicked to mutilate the body of a sick child and label it Obanje. Oh, may the gods forbid.
The calamity over this land is now lifted.
May the gods be praised.
Thank you, Igwe.
What am I doing here? This is not my house. Where's my mother? My father? Hey! Anwari? Where's my love? Anwari? Hey! Anwari!
Angareka left immediately to marry Prince Jidenna after what we both shared?
Yes, my son. She has been married to the prince since.
Since? So it's been long I have been insane.
Udoka, wash your hands and eat.
Yes.
Wash your hands and eat. We are happy that you are back to us. On your feet again.
I don't blame her. Who would want to marry a mentally derailed person? Mama, give me water. Let me wash my hand.
Yeah, baby.
What are you doing here?
Udoka. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I shouldn't have left. I should have stayed. I should have stayed and find a solution to your predicament. I'm sorry. It's not entirely my fault. It was my friend Nana that lured me into marrying the prince. They've been sleeping with each other right under my watch. I already left the marriage. But I'm not here for you to accept me back. I'm here to say that I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, please forgive me.
Our young queen, rise.
Not until you tell me that you've forgiven me. I will not rise.
Rise. I and my entire family have forgiven you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Angareka. Come. I have forgiven you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Udoka, come back.
Are you not going to eat the food again?
Udoka, my son. You two are not meant to be. We will go to our neighboring kingdom and get you a beautiful bride who knows nothing about your past.
Exactly.
I am with you, Nne.
I can't understand. I don't know what is wrong with this boy. Eh? Yeah? Chinyere.
we are not meant to be. Even if I got mentally sick, it's not even Anware's fault. She said Nene lured her into marrying the prince. I forgive her. Thank the gods I am well again.
Take this pot. Go to Mmamo River. Fill it. Take it to your father's kingdom. Call out the Bari women. They shall drink from it. You shall be the first to drink from it. The womb shall be open. I am happy the killing has been abolished. Take. Take it! Take it!